Good evening. The purpose of this recording is to show you how to fill out this form in the Practicum application packet. So let's review the directions. Student, column A, place a dot in the appropriate column for each item. After completion, connect the dots to form a visual profile. 1 means little or no experience, and 5 is a developed skill. In column B, you're going to prioritize up to 5 skill areas to be included in the Practicum experience. And then once you're in your Practicum experience in the column C, you're going to check the skill areas where the agency needs exist for the Practicum student. Basically, what we're trying to find are areas of agreement. So in this next page, which I believe is page 10, you see these dots here, but they're actually interactive. So you can choose where you're at on this continuum. And why there aren't dots in certain columns. I guess I'm not sure, but if you don't see the dots, I guess you can skip that one and you just click on wherever you think you're at. For now, for the Practicum application piece, I don't think that I'm going to require you to actually draw a line, but what we want to see is visually kind of where you're at. And then I believe you can click right into here and you can say what kind of priority this is. And that's what we'd be looking at for this section of the form.